look at this! FiremanFood1988. He sent me a box. Now, I sent him off a couple Hot Wheels, a Hot Wheel Redline, couple of them, and a couple old Matchbox Roll-O-Matics. He refurbished, and he said I'll send them back. I'm like, cool, but then this big huge box comes. Now, I X'd it out here. Looks like a government document. But I can't wait to get into this. Fireman Food, check him out, man. He is doing live shots right from the stores. Really cool stuff. He finds the best. Let's dig into this. Fireman Food 1988. Check him out. Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Thanks, Fireman Food 1988. Oh, so here's the box. Now let me tell you, Devin and Connor's mom brought it to me. Those guys rock. They love cars too. So, anyways, let's get into this and see what we got. Now, kids, opening boxes, you want to be careful. You don't want to be wielding around a knife unless you're an adult and know what you're doing. But be careful when you're cutting. Cut away from yourself. Oh, always that, and don't do whatever. Oh, I know. Oh, I always got this handy X-Acto. Let's open this up. Oh, look at this. I'm excited to see what's in here. Bubble wrap. Oh my gosh, she sent me half the store. Fireman Food, what are you doing? Unbelievably cool. Oh, look at this big box of stuff. That is crazy. Oh, look at this. Oh, I can't get too excited because some of those people get tender ears. They want me to talk quiet. But I can't. I get so excited. Look at this Johnny Lightning. Oh, this is really cool. What is that, the TNT? Yeah, baby. In red. In the package. Oh, this is amazing. Join the club. These are from what, 93 about? We got a date on the back of this somewhere. Only date we're gonna get, 1995. Oh, so this came out in 96. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, the repos of these things. This is unbelievable. Look at this, all this stuff in here. Oh, Fireman Food, you are crazy kind. Oh, look at this. A Maisto fresh metal in the package. Oh, that is beautiful. There's nothing like this. Look at that hot rod. I'd drive one of those on a daily driver in a heartbeat. Here's all our stuff. Here's all their trademark cars that they got licensing for. Oh, there's a lot. Maisto does a really good job. I know some of you guys just like Hot Wheels. Look at that thing. That is sweet. We might have to race these things. My gosh, there's like 50 cars in here. Fireman Food, you are amazing. Oh, look at this. Hot Wheels, 50th. Challenging the limits. Oh, this is crazy. 70 Ford Escort. I love it with the design. This blue car with the Hot Wheel logo. Just amazing. This is nice. The race team. I never saw one of these in the store. Oh, UPC. Warning, kids. Oh, this is amazing. Fireman Food, you are just... Oh, look at this. The pawn? Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna say that. Audacious? Checkmate. This one's a little ricer. That soda pop would love that one. Best for the track. Oh, we might have to open this up for the track. What do you say? We might have to do another video just so we can see what's going on with the track, right? Oh, holy smokes. I've got my setup here with my racetrack, and I don't want to tear it down quite yet, but I'll do it this way. Oh, look at this. A Dark Knight. Oh, look at that Lamborghini. That is nice. We got a little of his DNA on there. See that? Fireman Food. We got your DNA. So go check out FiremanFood1988. Oh, look at this. Very nice. Look at all those different Batmobiles. Come on. If you're a car collector, a car guy, Batmobile, which is your favorite? This is my favorite right here. Oh, the TV series. Oh, back 2006. I got to spend a weekend with George Barris himself at a show that I was brought in to set up a model contest for this car club. And hearing his stories and being around him, he was all about the fans. He loved the fans. Oh, look at this. Very cool. Oh, that is one of my favorites. Fireman Food, you are crazy, man. Nice. I love the VWs. A T2 pickup. Hot Wheels hardware. This is sweet. Now, you guys, I'm old school and I don't know the latest on which is the best and the coolest to have. Oh, he sent me 2 of these. Is there a difference? Wheels? Missing tampos? Oh, customizing? That is pretty wild. Oh, Fireman Food1988. Go check him out. Look at this. Oh, exotic. Man, that is really sweet. You read it for yourself, kids. Go to school so you can read. Oh, this is nice. Super exotic cars. Now, there's usually like a little label or something underneath here. If it's a super, I have no idea what a super is. The last treasure hunt I found was years ago. Oh, look at the moon eyes. I love these guys. This is old school racing at its best. A 10 Pro Stock Camaro. Oh, that is sweet. I love drag racing. I remember getting the drag racing magazines as a kid. And they would have them all in there. All sorts of cool pictures. That is sweet. Pro Stock. Fireman Food1988. Matchbox. I'm telling you, Matchbox. Mercedes-Benz. GLE Coupe. Or Coupe. Nice. That one looks like ready for the racetrack. Yep. The MBX road trip. Oh, I'm saving the best for last, let me tell you. Oh, a 16 Honda Civic Type R. This looks like Soda Pop's car. Almost identical. Oh, that is hilarious. His grill isn't the same, not the same year, but his color scheme, he's got a little wing on the back. He Repainted his wheels last summer. Oh, red emblem. It looks sweet. Red on white. Nice. Oh, look at these things. Hey, soda pop, looky looky. Oh, that is wild, child. That is cool. Soda pop's working on his car right now. He's got a Miata too. Oh, look at this Maverick. Oh, that is nice. That is classic paint on it. Oh, holy smokes. This thing is just beautiful. Factory fresh, that sure is. Got all your legal mumbo jumbo and your numbers on there. Secret codes. There's your code number for your Hot Wheel collection. Oh, that is... I really like that color combo. That is great. Oh, some cars are really cool and it's just... Oh, now I gotta get a GoPro. This is nice. Zoom in, baby. Oh, look at this. Oh, I do not have a GoPro camera, but I might have to be looking into one of those. Get a longer track than just 8 feet. Oh my gosh. Fireman Food, you are just nuts. All these, oh, look at this. The King Cuda. Oh, that is beautiful. Checkmate series. Oh, there are so many cars in here. It's unbelievable. Oh, look at this. King Cuda in white and black. It's like that old Spy vs. Spy series, which is the more expensive one. One's worth a $1 billion and one isn't. Oh, Fireman Food 188, you are a generous dude. You are just went beyond the Call of Duty. Pizza? Oh, I love pizza. What is your favorite kind of pizza? I'm telling you. On a cold, frigid day, we're getting another round of snow today. Oh, Big Mama's making a big pot of chili for dinner. That'll be good. Look at this. It is 5 below. That is funny. I know that's the store name, but it is 5 below outside here in Chicagoland. Oh, this. Oh, it gets better and better. Look at this. I love this thing. The colors on it. Now, sometimes they release colors that are just a little off, you know? They get a little goofy. Well, I guess we all get a little goofy. There is nothing like a tuned car for me. I love the crazy fun cars. This one is great. Fireman, you are rocking my world. This has been the best thing that's happened to me in a long time. Matchbox, the old bus. Remember the Greyhound bus as a kid? It looks like the same casting. Pretty nice. Scenic Cruiser, 1955 Scenic Cruiser. Oh, this one is really beautiful. I'll let you look at that if you want to pause and read all that information. You're more than welcome to, but man, I want to get to the cool cars that he customized. Oh, look at this. The USS Enterprise. Oh, I'm telling you, this guy, Fireman Food 1988, if you watch his videos, you'll see him in the store, and he's got the connections to know exactly when the shipments are coming in to get the latest and greatest, the coolest cars in town. Oh, new for 218 Lamborghini pace car. Oh, very nice. 50th anniversary Grand Prix. Oh, Hot Wheels Exotic. That is nice. Now, this shows a light bar on the top, but we don't have a light bar on this. Oh, there it is. I was getting it in the glare. That is nice. Oh, and then he goes and customizes all his cars, and they are just amazing. Oh, look at this. These are like, if I saw these in the store, it's like he was in my mind, the kind of cars I love. Jeep Grand Cherokee. Look at that, orange and black. The raft on top, I always loved with the little accessories. Always made it different and cool. And Jeep thing, man, I'm digging Jeeps these days. Anniversary edition. Oh. Look at all these different cars. The Jeeps. Oh, look at that Willys 4x4. They got some great Jeeps in this series. For all you Jeepsters out there. Oh. Man, a good friend had a Jeep in high school, CJ7 or something like that. And oh, it was so much fun. Look at this. Speedy delivery. Ford panel van on a Matchbox. I'm digging that. Do you remember on the old Batman series, the blue van? The Dodge van that was always the criminal's van? And it showed up everywhere in every episode. It was like just amazing. Oh, look at this. Jurassic Park. Oh, look at the big hair on there. FiremanFood1988. Look at that. I think it's one of his dog's hairs. He's a dog lover. True and true. Oh, you're blowing me away. Unbelievable. Oh, now here is what I'm looking forward to seeing. These are the cars that I sent him. And he refurbished them. And man, it seemed like he did it lickety-split. I mean, it was like, yep, I'm done with this one, I'm done with that one. Like, wow. It just was crazy. Oh. Ready? Let's see what happened here. My nose starts running. I got a little extra Kleenex here, which is good. Our Kleenex comes on a long roll. You know what I mean? Oh, it's slowly coming. Oh, look at this. That is gorgeous. Look at that. This thing was beat up like no tomorrow. And he refinished it and painted it. Isn't that sweet? Now I got a refurbished red line. Oh, look how nice that is. Oh, even made the engine gold. That is amazing. I'm telling you. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, I'm looking at it over the camera, through the camera. That is sweet. We're going to have to race that thing. It's like I got a new paint job and I'm digging it. Love the stripe on it. Turned out great. Oh, thanks, man. That is so cool. Now, here's the other one. Now, these, I'm telling you, if you watch his videos, you can see the condition that they were sending him. They were pretty beat up, and have them make them look so nice. That is fantastic. Uh-oh. I gotta see how this opens here. I don't want to bust it. There we go. I'm opening the wrong side to tell I'm an amateur. Oh. Nice little plastic case to protect this baby. Oh, he sent too much stuff. There's double trouble in here, I feel it. Yeah, no? Oh, look at that. Oh, look at this thing. It is amazing. He painted in the headlights. Ah, look at his work on this. I'm telling you, I should have taken pictures of the things before. Now this is a roll-o-matic. So as you roll this, that antenna radar on top spins around. Oh, this FiremanFood1988. He is just, this thing was so big it felt like 2 cars in there. Look at that nice paint job. This thing's like, I'm back. So here's where you want to go. Guys ready? FiremanFood1988. He's on YouTube. He's on Instagram. He's on Facebook. He's all around, man. Go subscribe to his channel. Check him out. I'm telling you, it is amazing what he is doing. Just cool videos, lots of content, lots of cars to see. And look at that, he refurbishes too. Look how nice that turned out. So, I'm telling you, if you look at the videos, both these cars, this red line and this, were chip-a-dip-a-dip-a-doo, and he fixed them all up. Just total amazing. Now I need to try and figure out how to do all this stuff so I can do it like these guys. They do a great job. Oh, is there a screw in there? They glue it. Looks like he glued it. But even these bottoms, I'm telling you, these bottoms were all corroded up, and look how clean he made them. That is nice. Just so amazing. FiremanFood1988. Oh, what do you say? Should we go racing? Oh, look at all this stuff that he sent. Man, I owe him big time. Go subscribe to his channel. He sent me so many cool cars. I'm gonna have to put on to my toy room and build out a wing for it. FiremanFood1988, go check him out, okay? Let's go racing. What do you say? Look at these beauties. Oh, FiremanFood1988. Refurbish these babies. And I gotta run them down the track. I don't know why, but they are gonna hit the track. Here's all the cars he sent. Fireman Food, you just blew me away. It's better than Christmas, I'm telling you. Oh, look at all that stuff. Just amazing. I'm digging those King Kudas. And the Johnny Lightning, the Maisto. Oh, just everything. You just made my day. Now, I'm going to run these guys on the track just a couple times. And then I'm going to put them in my case. Oh, a special case just to remember Fireman Food 1988. Oh, ready? Set? Go! Oh! And this guy's like, I ain't going. I ain't going. Ah! Something with the track up here is stuck. Let's try it again. Oh! Yeah! You know why it worked? Because Fireman Food rocks the house, baby. Oh, let's run those babies again. That was sweet. Oh, ready? Set. go. Oh, if you look at my other videos, that Roll-O-Matic, he couldn't make it through the loop-de-loop, and now with the new paint job, he is ready to rock and roll, baby. Thanks, Fireman Food 1988. You rock, baby. You rock it. Oh, paint job by Fireman Food 1988, and these cars are brand new. Look at them race. Oh, that Jackrabbit special is just amazing on the track. Woohoo! Look at that baby race. It's like they got new paint, and now they got greater driving time on the track. Thanks, Fireman Food 1988. Oh man, look at that go! That is amazing. Oh, it crashed. First time I should have stopped. Thanks, Fireman Food 1988. Oh, look at all these again. Cars that Fireman Food sent out. What a great guy. Go check him out on his channel. Subscribe to him. You will not be sorry. Oh, he does live streaming and all sorts of fun stuff. He engages with everyone. That is cool. Thanks for checking out the toy car case at Johnny Roman Supper Club. Look at these beauties at Fireman Food 1988 refurbished. They were all chippy-dippy-dippy-doo, and now look at them. They are just crazy. I'm gonna put them in the case. Maybe I'll take a photograph of them in the car case for all you to see. Now we got videos coming up. I just gotta find time. Here are some of the sneak peeks on the Goodwills and Saver finds that I have found in the last week or so. Oh, the Frigidaire. Oh, that doesn't stop us from finding cars. Go save a car today. Oh, thanks for coming into the Supper Club, and remember, life starts after 3:16. Thanks, Fireman Food 1988. I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on old Johnny Clark. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be.